Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study science class 2, living and non-living things. As we studied before that living things are those which can move, grow, eat, breathe and reproduce, and the non-living things are those which cannot move, grow, eat, breathe and reproduce. Okay? Then we study about the natural and man-made things, and we also have done the half of exercise. We left question number D. Answer the following questions, and we have did all the remaining exercise. Okay? Today we are going to answer these questions. Question number 1 is differentiate between living and non-living things. जिंदा और बेजान चीज़ों में फ़र्क बताएं. ठीक है? You have to answer it on your notebooks. I have written the answers on the notebook. First you have to write chapter 1, living and non-living things. Answer the following questions. You have to draw the margin line on both sides. The answer of first question is living things can move, grow, eat and breathe, and non-living things cannot move, grow, eat and breathe. This is the difference. Okay? The answer of first question is living things can move, grow, eat and breathe, and non-living things cannot move, grow, eat and breathe. ठीक है? Question number 2 is enlist the key characteristics of life for organisms. The answer of question number 2 is movement, breathe, eat, grow and reproduce are the key characteristics of life. ठीक है? Question number 3 is how do living things behave and respond towards their environment? Answer is with the help of senses, animals respond towards their environment. With the sense of taste, with the sense of touch, with the sense of smell. Understand? With these senses, organisms respond towards the environment. ठीक है? Next question is why fish cannot live without water? Why fish cannot live without water? फिश हैव गिल्स इंस्टेड ऑफ लंग्स. ठीक है, उनके गिल्स होते हैं, लंग्स नहीं होते. देयरफॉर दे कैन नॉट ब्रीथ, दे कैन ब्रीथ ओनली इन वाटर. इसलिए वो सिर्फ पानी में ही सांस ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज हाउ डू मैन मेड थिंग्स डिफर फ्रॉम नेचुरल वंस? मैन मेड थिंग्स आर मेड थ्रू मैनी प्रोसेसेस. मीन्स जो इंसान जो चीज़ें बनाता है वो बहुत से प्रोसेस में से गुजर के बनती हैं. ठीक है. आपको आंसर नज़र आ रहे हैं. यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. आज के लिए साइंस का आपका यही है. आंसर क्वेश्चन आपने अपनी कॉपी पे नोट डाउन करने हैं. ठीक है. अगले लेसन से फिर हाज़िर होंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.